friends, welcome again to my innovative cook. Hello friends, welcome to my innovative cooking for weight loss. Yesterday, no, not yesterday, Friday, I ordered a miller, a grinding machine, because I want to make my own multi-purpose flour. So I decided to buy a small milling machine, grain milling, so that I can make my own and make samples to see how this gluten-free supported flour can help me make my innovative recipes for weight loss. So I got this machine and it came yesterday. So now I'm going to open it and then see what is inside, and then maybe I will make my first flour using kidney beans and soya beans. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's see how I get on. Here it is. That's the miller grinding machine, and it came with accessories. So how am I going to put it together? There it is. That's the beautiful grinding machine. So how can I get this to work? Because I will be using it to make my first flour, gluten supported flour for multi-purpose recipes. So that's it. So what are these? These are the accessories. And what does it do? There is a manual there, so maybe I will have to read the manual and try to understand how it should be operated. It's a high speed, high efficiency, high quality, and according to this, it will be able to do so many things that I am pleased with. It can grind so many things, and I'm pleased with it. So let's see how I get on. I will try to mantle it and then make my first flour. I'll open it. Sana may record it. Yeah. So I'm now going to grind this. Okay. My son is helping me to fix it, so I'm looking at how he's doing it, and then next time I will do it on my own.
Alright.
Yes.
So
It says it's 30 seconds.
Should I do it?
Yes. Let's see. And it's is that 30 seconds?
No.
We are now going to see if we've got
Yeah.
yay, hooray! I've got my flour. That's it.
Interesting.
Thank you.
There you go. But you gotta be careful with it though.
I'll just turn the light, the electricity off. This is electric. I've got my flour of soya beans and kidney beans. So I'm going to add a little bit of gluten so that is gluten supported, and I'll use it for my dinner. So this is my first home meal flour. I'm excited, very excited. Now that I've got my flour, I'm going to sieve it because I want it to be fine. So I will sieve it. Here is the flour, and that's the sieve. So it goes into it. if you ask me what I will do with this, I will grind it again so that whenever I need it. But for now, this will be enough for what I want to use tonight. So this is just enough for it. So I'm going to use that. This I'm going to keep and then grind it again next time. So for my dinner tonight, I'm going to add some gluten to this. Adding gluten to it makes it gluten supported flour. So that is my point. My point is we want to have more of the protein than the carbohydrate. So with beans, has got the two beans that I've chosen, being the kidney beans and soya beans, are high in protein. So, but it hasn't got gluten in them. So it is not binding. If you use it for banku or use it for tuwo, it can bind. But if I add a little bit of gluten or xanthan gum, it will bind. So that's why I'm adding this gluten to it, which is okay. That's it. So I have now got my gluten supported flour that I can use maybe for my tuwo and also for my banku and also for what I'm going to use to do now. I'm getting excited. Actually, I am. Honestly, I am getting excited. And you do know what I found in the market today? I'm not telling you now. I will tell you some other time. Yes, how we can make fufu healthy for us, and we will eat enough, not just play with it, just eat enough.